The exhibition, but it would the mega event, and also now Thailand is focused for the festival. We use the festival content to drive the economy. We call the festival economy to drive our industry for move forward.
The director of like MICE capability is here so that she can help us, especially you who would like to have a career path in the hospitality industry, know exactly what is the MICE industry. By the way, I also
So these guys are just like bye-bye.